how to reset mouse settings to default in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to change your mouse's default settings. So let's dive right in. Go to your Windows icon on the taskbar and right click on it. There you'll see run, tap on it and then type main.cpl as shown on the screen and hit OK. This will open up your mouse settings. Here you can see you can change the speed. To put it in the middle, you can double click on it and then you can go to pointers and then tap on use default. This will change your mouse settings to default. You can even go to pointer options and you can change the speed and all. You can go to wheel, you can go to hardware, and then you can hit apply after you're done changing the settings. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.